Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence actually reads your words? Today, we are cracking open the hidden building blocks of large language models, AI tokens. Think of tokens as the fundamental currency of generative AI. They dictate exactly how your prompts are processed, built, and remembered by modern models. Understanding the token concept. Before we dive into the mechanics, let's establish a clear definition of what a token actually represents inside an AI system. A token is a chunk of text that an artificial intelligence model uses to process and understand the language queries you input. While it is highly tempting to assume one token equals one word, that is a very common misconception we need to clear up immediately. In English text processing, a helpful rule of thumb is that one token roughly equals 3/4 of a single standard word. To make this practical, imagine a standard 100-word paragraph. An AI model will break that down into approximately 133 tokens, the subword tokenization process. With that foundational definition in place, let's explore exactly how a raw text sentence undergoes subword tokenization. AI models do not just look at full words, they split rare, long, or complex terms into smaller pieces called subwords. For instance, a common word like apple might cost just one token, while a complex word like tokenization gets broken into multiple pieces. This granular approach ensures that the system can intelligently interpret brand new words, typos, or unusual grammatical structures it has never seen before. Processing spaces and characters. Now that we understand subwords, you might ask, what happens to things like spaces, punctuation, and non-English characters? AI tokenizers do not just count letters. They treat trailing spaces and punctuation marks as independent tokens within their processing stream. When dealing with non-English languages, the architecture shifts significantly because the models are heavily trained on vast libraries of English text data. Consequently, languages like French, Spanish, or Hindi require far more tokens to express the exact same message compared to standard English. The impact on model context windows. Before we look at the financial costs, one absolutely critical aspect of tokens is their relationship to a model's context window. The context window is the hard limit on the total number of tokens a model can process in a single conversation. If your chat history and prompt exceed this hidden capacity limit, the AI will abruptly start forgetting the earliest parts of your conversation: pricing, costs, and efficiency. Now let's look at how this structural system directly impacts your wallet when building software with large language models. Cloud providers bill developers based on millions of tokens processed, separated into different pricing tiers for input prompts and generated output text. Because you pay for every single fragment, optimizing your prompts to use fewer tokens is a vital best practice for engineering. Keeping your instructions concise directly reduces operational latency and saves your business significant cloud infrastructure costs over long production runs. Mastering tokens gives you the ultimate control over AI performance and cost. Keep optimizing your code, and I will see you next time.